decorated the box with like all One Piece stuff. Like, it looks so cool. Like, I think we should open this one up. Let's open it up. Okay. What the fuck? Y'all see what's in here? Yo! Is this like a whole anime box? Goku and Frieza. What the hell are all of these? Bro, he literally... What the hell? Bro, this... Yo! What is this? Oh, Jujutsu Kaisen! Yo! Bro, yo! Tell me why this whole box is just full of... Yo! He gave me a Ronaldo poster. I already have this one. Damn, then he gave me this. What is this? Mbappe. He gave me all of these posters. W. No, I'm not gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. This box is crazy. Then he gifted me a jacket. Oh, fuck. Chat, what's his name again? What's that dude name again? The fire dude? Damn, what's his name? Demon Slayer. Fuck. I forgot the dude name off Demon Slayer. What is his name? Tanjiro. Yeah, Tanjiro. Tanjiro. That's his name. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. This box is fire. It's too much shit in here for me to show y'all. But y'all get the message though. And he gifted me an Iraq kit. He gotta be from Iraq. Alright, W box. Oh my god, there's so much in here. I gotta